This video will show you how to replace the battery in your precision delivery system. To replace the battery, you will need a new, fresh 9-volt battery, your precision delivery system, and a Phillips head screwdriver. To begin, make sure the unit is set to off and the product cartridge has been removed from the unit. Next, locate the set screw that holds the cover on the top of the PDS. Unscrew the set screw by turning it to the left. The screw is longer than you think, so keep going. Remove the top cover. Next, remove the old battery by lifting it out of the body of the PDS. Insert the fresh battery. Be sure to match the positive to positive and negative to negative on the body wall of the PDS and the battery. Then place the cover back on the PDS by inserting the clip into the indentation on the front and pressing down on the back of the cover. You will need to hold the cover in place while inserting the set screw. Place the screw in the hole on the underside and tighten the cover down. Keep pressure on the cover until it's flush with the PDS. Again, remember the screw is long, so keep going. Don't over-tighten. Next, check the battery was installed correctly by testing the PDS unit. Switch it to on, depress the trigger, and listen for the motor operating. Now, you're ready to keep using your PDS. If you have further questions, please refer to the Precision Delivery System website and the series of videos featuring the Precision Delivery System.